Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss multiplication of two matrices. That is, we will learn how can we multiply two given matrix. Okay, it is very important topic for boards as well as for competitive exams. So let us start. Let us we consider A and B are two matrices. So to multiply these two matrices, these should follow a condition. That is, we can say that A dot B is defined only when A dot B दो मैट्रिक्स का हम प्रोडक्ट फाइंड कर सकते हैं ओनली व्हेन नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इन ए शुड बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रोज इन बी. ओके, इट मीन्स जो हमारी फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स है इसके नंबर ऑफ कॉलम शुड बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रोज इन द सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी टेक लेट जो हमारी ए मैट्रिक्स है इसका ऑर्डर है m क्रॉस n. देन जो हमारी बी मैट्रिक्स है इट शुड बी ऑफ ऑर्डर n क्रॉस p. ए मैट्रिक्स के नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स शुड ऑलवेज बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रोज इन द सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स. देन ओनली द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स विल बी डिफाइंड, अदरवाइज वी कैन नॉट फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट a डॉट b. Okay, so this is the condition which these matrices should follow. Now let us know how can we multiply these matrices. Okay, so let us take A is a matrix of order 3 cross 2. 3 cross 2 means number of rows in A is 3 and number of columns in A is 2. So here are the elements 1 1 A1 2 A2 1 and so on A3 2. And similarly we have taken B a matrix of order 2 cross 3. Okay, so here you can see number of columns in first matrix, that is 2, is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Okay, here one thing you should note that this should be equal. Number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second matrix. But there is no any such conditions for these numbers. Number of rows of first matrix and number of columns of second matrix. Okay, only these should be equal, number of columns in first and number of rows in second. So here it is equal, it means we can define A dot B and these are the elements of the matrix B, B11 B12 1 3 and so on. Okay, now to multiply, to find first element of the product matrix, we will first multiply first row of the matrix A into first column of the matrix B. Okay, it means A11 dot B11 A11 dot B11 plus A12 dot B21 A12 dot B21. This will be our first element of the product matrix. Okay, first row into first column. A dot B का जो 1 1 एलिमेंट होगा that will contain first row into first column. Okay, so you can identify from this element से भी आप पता लगा सकते हैं. And this is our first element. Now to get second element, we will multiply first row into second column. Okay, so first row into second column, A11 dot B12 A11 dot B12 plus A12 dot B22 A12 dot B22. This is our second element of the product matrix. Next, to get third element, we will again multiply first row into third column. Okay, first row first column, then first row second column, first row third column. So this will give our this will be our third element. What will be our third element? A11 dot B13, A11 dot B13 plus A12 dot B23, A12 dot B23. ओके, इट मीन्स जब भी हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम को, तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सेकेंड एलिमेंट्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. ओके, so this will give our first row of the product matrix. Now to get second row, we will again repeat the procedure with the second row. Now we will multiply second row with the first column, then second row with the second column, second row with the third column. Okay, this is the procedure. Now let us understand the concept again with an example. Here is an example. If A is a matrix given, B is another matrix given, then we have to find A dot B and also B dot A. Okay, so if we find A dot B, it means we will first write A matrix 0 minus 1 dot, then we will write B matrix, that is 1 2 3 0 1 and 0. Okay, this is our matrix. Now these two matrices should follow the required condition. So we write the order of the two matrices. Order of this matrix is 2 cross 2 and order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. So here you can see number of column in first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Okay, so okay, this product is defined. So now we will find the product. How can we find the product? We will multiply first row into first column. फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है -1 एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है 1. सो -1 into 1, that is -1. Okay, -1 into 1, -1. Then second elements 1 dot 0. So 1 dot 0 is 0 and these two will be added. This will be first element of the product matrix. So first element मिल गया हमें. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट के लिए अगेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट रो इंटू सेकेंड कॉलम. फर्स्ट रो को ही हम सेकेंड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है -1 इंटू 2. -1 इंटू 2 वी विल गेट -2. देन प्लस सेकेंड एलिमेंट्स 1 इंटू 1, दैट विल बी 1. ओके, सो दिस विल बी सेकेंड एलिमेंट. नाउ टू गेट थर्ड एलिमेंट, अगेन फर्स्ट रो इंटू थर्ड कॉलम. इट मीन्स फर्स्ट रो को हम हर एक कॉलम से 1 by 1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो वी विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग अवर एलिमेंट्स. फर्स्ट रो को जब हम थर्ड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो -1 इंटू 3, -3 प्लस 1 इंटू 0, दैट इज 0. ओके, एंड व्हेन फर्स्ट रो को हम हर एक कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, देन दिस विल गिव first row of the product matrix. Now we will repeat the procedure with the second row. So second row into first column again, 0 into 1, 0 plus -1 into 0, this is also 0. Now second row into second column, 0 into 2, 0 plus -1 into 1, -1. Okay, now second row into third column, 0 into 3, 0 plus -1 into 0, that is also 0. So this will give our second row of the product matrix. Okay, this will be our required result. Now add -1 plus 0, -1, -2 plus 1, that is also -1, -3 plus 0, -3, this will be 0, this will give -1 and 0. So this is our required matrix, required product matrix. Okay, now if you write the order of this matrix, it is again of the order 2 cross 3. Now see, order of first matrix था 2 cross 2 and ये था 2 cross 3. Number of columns of first was equal to number of rows in the second, and the remaining elements, this 2 and this 3, is appeared here in the result. Okay, so it means जो हमारी required product matrix होगी उसका order होगा number of rows in the first matrix cross number of columns in the second matrix. Okay, so this will be our product matrix. Now to find B cross A, we have to find B dot A. So we will first write B matrix, that is 1, 2, 3 and 0, 1, 0. Then we will write A matrix, that is -1, 1, 0 and -1. Now to check whether this product is defined or not, we will write the order of the two matrices. Order of first one is 2 cross 3, इसका order है 2 cross 3, and second matrix का order है 2 cross 3. Now if you check, number of columns in the first does not equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So this B dot A product does not exist. It is not defined. We cannot multiply matrix B and A in this order. Okay, it means from here you can clearly see that matrix multiplication does not follow commutative law. Normal multiplication follows commutative law, but matrix multiplication does not follow commutative law. Okay, so this is it. Now let us see some properties of matrices. So here are some properties of matrices that is followed in the matrix multiplication. Associative law is followed, which means A dot B dot C, where A, B and C are three matrices. These follow associative law. If we first multiply A dot B or we first multiply B dot C, the result will be same. And it also follow distributive law. That means if addition of two matrices B and C is multiplied with matrix A is also equal to A dot B and A dot C के addition के equal होता है. And next one is existence of multiplicative identity. It means for any, we should say for every square matrix. Remember, multiplicative identity सिर्फ square matrix में ही exist करेगी. For every square matrix A, there is a identity matrix which follow multiplicative identity property. It means A dot I is equal to I dot A is always equal to A. Okay, where I is identity matrix. And you know what an identity matrix is. Okay, so these are the properties, and we just saw that matrix multiplication does not follow commutative law. A dot B is not equal to B dot A. Now let us prove this identity by an example. So here is the question. We have to show that A dot B is not equal to B dot A, and A and B are two matrices given. Now we will first find A dot B. So A dot B, we will first write A matrix -1, 1, 0, 0, -1, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now we will write B matrix 1, 2 and 3, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 1 and 0. Okay, so first of all let us write order of the matrix. So both the matrices are of order 3 cross 3. It means हम किसी भी order में लिखें, if we write A dot B then also number of rows or number of columns equal होंगे, and if we write B dot A then also these will be equal. So both the products A dot B and B dot A is defined So we will find them one by one and then we will prove that these are not equal. So first of all, let us find a dot b. To find a dot b, again do the procedure. First row into first column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, again 0. Now first row into second column, so minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, plus 1 into 1, 1, plus 0 into 1, that is 0. Now first row and third column, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 1 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 0, again 0. Okay, this will be our first row. Now moving to second one, second row into first column, 0 dot 1, that is 0, plus minus 1 dot 0, again 0, plus 1 into 1, 1. Now second row and second column, so 0 into 2, that is 0, plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 1 into 1, 1. Okay, next second row and third column, so 0 dot 3, 0, plus minus 1 into 0, again 0, plus 1 into 0, this is also 0. Now moving to the third one, third row into first column, 2 into 1, 2, plus 3 into 0, 0, plus 4 into 1, 4. Okay, now last third row and second column, so 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 1, 3, plus 4 into 1, again 4. Now the last element, third row and third column, 2 into 3, 6, plus 3 into 0, 0, and 4 into 0, again 0. Now do the required addition. First element you will get minus 1, next one you will again get minus 1, next minus 3. Now this 1, this will be 0, this is also 0. Adding this you will get 6 and here you will get 11 and 6. So this is our product A dot B. Now in the similar manner you will find B dot A. So here I have written B matrix first and then A. Now multiply in a similar manner. So first row into first column, 1 into minus 1, plus 2 into 0, 0, plus 3 into 2, 6. Next first row into second column, 1 into 1, 1, plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 3 into 3, 9. Okay. Now next one, first row into third column, 1 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 1, 2, plus 3 into 4, 12. Next second row into first column, 0 dot minus 1, 0, 1 into 0, again 0, 0 into 2, this is also 0. Second row, second column, so 0 into 1, 0, plus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, and 0 into 3, again 0. Last second row into third column, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 4 into 0, again 0. Last row, first column, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0. Last row, second column, 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1, plus 0 into 3, 0. Okay. Now last row and last column, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, and 4 into 0 is also 0. Okay. Now do the addition. 6 minus 1, 5. It will give 9 plus 1, 10, and minus 2, 8. This will give you 14. This is 0. This is minus 1 and it is 1. Here it is minus 1. It will become 0 and this is 1. So this is our B dot A. Now if you compare A dot B and B dot A, so these are not equal. So it is proved that commutative property is not followed by the matrix multiplication. Okay, so that's it for today. अब मैं मिलूँगी आपसे नए वीडियो में कुछ नए क्वेश्चंस के साथ एंड वी विल सी सम मोर कॉन्सेप्ट्स यूज्ड इन मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तब तक आप लोग पढ़ते रहिए एंड अगर कोई डाउट है तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए. यू विल गेट ऑल योर डाउट्स क्लियर्ड. एंड हाँ, वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा सो दैट नेक्स्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल में तुरंत आने लगे. ओके, सो मिलती हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. थैंक यू.